Alright, next box. Do this one. See what we got in here. Pretty light. I know it's not cylinders and flywheels like I've been buying. Oh, tail light. I recognize that. Tail light. Alright. Tombstone. Late version. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, I got a bezel, but it's broken, so it's no good. And that's just laying on there. So if the original bezel will have numbers in here. It's rough, so there's something in there. Yeah, it's got numbers in it. Right here's a number box. Yep. Numbers right in there. I can't read them, but maybe you can. There's numbers on this side too. So that's an original bezel. The problem is trying to fix these things is pretty next to impossible. First you got to heat up and straighten it, and then you got to glue it back together. Try to get it good enough you can use it again, but these are made out of crappy ass pot metal or something, so it's just about impossible to fix this stuff. These go for mega dollars when they're good. But that one's not too good. So this has the original glass lens up in here. There's no real numbers on it, but you can tell it's original here. When you pull it out, there'll actually be numbers on the back side, where it's up against the inside the tail light there, and you can read the numbers. So there's a clip right here. You just pull this clip out and it'll come out. It's got a original socket in here, pretty rusty, but it's there. Still got the pigtail wires down inside, which is good. And it's got the rubber plug there, which is always valuable to have. And this one's not broken, and it's still kind of soft too. That's even better. I bought tail lights just to get that rubber. You can tell it's original, right? It's got guide right in here. You've made in USA right under here. So you know it's an original tail light. It's got a stud in there that's still good, and you still got threads here. It's not broken, so it's a good body. It's kind of barnacly rust, but corroded. Blast all that crap off, you got a good body. So this is the late riveted style here. A lot of times they'll have guide written right in here. There's something written there. Looks like it says HD on it or something. H5. Can't make out what it says, but when you blast it, you'll see it. It says guide, G-U-I-D-E, RH5. So that's original. Plus you can tell the rivets have not been replaced. You know it's original also. So this needs to be straightened up a little bit, cleaned up. Paint it black or body color and you'll be good. Nice original light. I don't know what I paid for it, but probably not too awful much because it looks like crap. But it's actually pretty damn nice light. You don't really know that until you get it. It's not broken up through here or anything, not damaged. The threads and the screw holes look good still. And except for the outer lens and the bezel, you got everything you need. These things are 500 and up these days, so some guys want a couple grand for them, but they're wanting and getting is two different things. Original stud. Just like the other piece, you get the rust off of it to make it move. Alright, that looks pretty nice. That'll clean up pretty good, I bet. So take this thing all apart, go blast it, and it's probably pretty damn nice. I'll leave it alone though. Less chance of doing damage. Like I said, the bezel, if I could figure out how to weld it, would be nice, but not holding my breath. It's cracked through here too. I'm thinking this is going to be a write-off, but you can always beat it back straight and just bolt the thing together. There's no real room to put a splice in here because that's where the lens goes, so yeah. You could probably glue it to the lens with a bunch of epoxy and then bolt it on to the light like that. And that'd probably make it look halfway decent, but you're still going to have that crack in there. So easy, you wind up just putting repop ones of the outer lens on there, the bezel, and live with it. But we like original, we can get it. See, that's how you over torque stuff. See how much that's been over torqued? A lot. Alright, nice light. There you go. So that's a 50... not sure they got rid of the rivets. I mean, went to riveted. Probably late 49, 50, all the way up to 54, 55, and later is another light. So there you go, 50 to 54. All right, that's it for that one.